Rob. Hey, somebody ran! Somebody ran! He's in the chimney.
What chimney? What chimney?
That house, in the chimney.
You're an idiot.
Get up.
Show us your hand right now.
Show us your hand. Rob.
Yeah.
You can breathe fine, all right?
Can you breathe fine?
Break this off.
I was thinking just these so we can still have not compromise the corner.
Right. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Corners our integrity.
I want to leave this right here.
And you can't. So slip it up a little higher.
Okay. Scoot straight up.
Ah, my leg.
Perfect, huh?